Hello everyone, this is my second video for ACL configuration, and also today I am discuss about extended ACL configuration. Okay, let's move to the video. You can see my today diagram. I am already assigning their IP addresses. You can see this PC, you can see IP address, gateway and all the DNS server address I am already assigned. You can see all router, all the interfaces I am already assigning IP addresses. Okay, first step, now I move to this SRv1 server. This is our DNS server. Now I assign the IP address 192.12.1.100 subnet mask, and default gateway is 254, and DNS address is same IP address, and go to services and enable DNS services, and now I'm assigning all the devices IP address in here. I'm used to DNS record to record all the IP addresses. Now I type PC1. PC1 means this name. PC1 address 172.12.1.1 at PC2. Assigning address 172.12.1.2. Now go to PC3. PC3. Okay. Address 172.12.2.1 and PC4. 172.12.2.2. Now assign router 1, this IP address 203.12.113.1 and router 2 203.12.113.2 and server 1, this server IP address 192.12.1.100 and this network, so this server 2 192.12.2.100, and I assign this is our web server, therefore their address cisco.com, and I'm assigning same their server IP address. Okay, you can see it. Now move to server SRv2 server and desktop IP configuration 2.100 subnet mask, default gateway 2.254, and DNS server IP address is this IP address. Okay, it's done, and this is our extended ACL 100 number, this network, and this is the extended ACL 101 list number. Okay, and first I'm doing create OSPF for this two router. Create open router 1, CLI, enable config terminal interface. First this I'm using this interface. Okay, first type router OSPF 1 network 203.12.11.3.0. They are subnet mask and area 0. And next type this network. The network 172.12.2.0 255 and area equal 0. And next type this network. Do show IPO OSPF int brief. You can see all the OSPF interface are here. And move to router 2. Enable configure terminal router OSPF 1 network .1.3.0 area equal to C. And sorry, what? And next this interface 192.12.1.0 0 and next interface next network do show IP OSPF int brief. Okay, you can see all the OSPF interface are here. Today I am first configuration to do. Now I do this network. PCs can't access this network. Let's move to configure it. Today I am talking about extended ACL configuration. Therefore I am using this router configuration. Okay, router 1 and exit IP access list. This is the extended number 100 and this is 101. And this network can't access this PCs. Therefore type access list 10 extended. Yeah, okay. And then IP this network can't access this network PC. Therefore I type this network address 172.12.2.0 and 255 post this PC1 address .1.1 and next type next permit IP any. Okay, to show access list. You can see extended this network can't communicate with these two PCs. Okay, exit. Now I type interface, this interface, and then IP access group is 101 in. This access group means this extended access list. Okay. Now I into this network from to this PC. Ping 172.12.1.1. You can see host is unreachable, and next PC. You can see this PC is unreachable. Okay. Now you can see this interface, this network can't access this network PCs, and now I configuring about next step. Now I move to next step. Now I create this network. This network can't access this DNS server. Okay, let's move to this part. Okay, now I move to next part. Okay, open router 1, type IP access list extended list 100 and Denny UDP. This UDP mean their protocols, DNS server protocols. UDP 1.12.0. This network can't communicate host this DNS server IP address 192. 12.1.100. Okay, press it. Now next UDP and equal 53 in their protocol, and next type TCP protocol. Denny, it's can't access TCP, and same, all the things are same, and press enter. Do show access list. Show access. You can see these protocols are Denny and exit. Now interface. You see this interface for this network. Therefore, interface G0/0 IP access group 100 in. Okay, now I try to ping this server. Ping 192.12.1. You can see host is unreachable. They can't access their network. PC can't access this server. Okay. I move to next configuration part. Now I create this network can't access this server HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. Now move to let's configure it. Okay. Now type IP access list extended 101 this and Denny TCP 172.12.2.0 Wi-Fi host 192.12. This server IP address. Okay, and type equal their TCP port protocol number. This is HTTP protocol. Now type HTTPS. Change equal 443. Okay. Do show access list. Now exit and type IP access group 101 in. Sorry, interface. Use interface G01 interface this 0/1. Next type IP access group. Okay. Now I try to ping this web server, yes, services and HTTP. Yeah, this is on, and I try to you can see can't access. Type yes. You can see can't access. You can see this DNS server. I'm already assigned this record. You can see, and now I try to ping. You can see destination is unreachable. Okay, you can see today network are working perfectly and all the packet send and receive. And today we are discuss about ACL configuration, extended ACL configuration. Okay, this is the end of today my video. Next video upload in soon. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you very much.